Hi, what's up, buddy? Welcome to Richard Insider. Let's talk about cryptocurrencies and stocks today. If this is your first time to Richard Insider, we talk about stock investing, crypto trading, real estate investing, and how to make more money. So, if you want to make more money, you can subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any of our studio. Get free stocks and free crypto in the description and comment. And today's topic, we're gonna talk about what's going on in the stock market and what could happen in future. And also, there has been quite volatility in cryptocurrency market and what could happen in cryptocurrency in future. So May 25th, stock markets were mostly down. If you look at S&P 500, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and Russell, so they were down. Not so much. It's only 0.24%. It's not a big deal. Anything above 0.5% will be say a big move in the market. Crude oil is $65.99, so which is 66 cents. So today is quite really interesting that we see a lot of 99. Silver 27.99, crude oil 65.99. So crude oil came back down. It's not $70 yet, so I wouldn't worry about the gas prices so much. Not at the moment, but in future we could see higher gas prices. Coal is about 18.99, another 99, again 99.90, so it's 1900. So gold has been climbing up, silver has been climbing up because of the inflation fear. So another thing interesting is that euro and USD, you appreciate, British pound depreciate against USD. Usually euro and British pound moves in alignment, but now they move in opposite directions. And USD and Japanese yen, USD depreciate. So it's pretty interesting to see that. And you will also notice that the Bitcoin was down to 38,000. So gold and silver were up, Bitcoin was down. What's going on? I'm gonna talk about it in this video. And then the stock exchange was down 0.31%, and Japanese stock exchange was up. The other crypto were also down. Look at the Bitcoin Cash today price. It's 700. It used to be 1550. 2 weeks ago. So that's really interesting. So it's very volatile. Crypto is very volatile. That makes it very interesting, and also it's a new technology, the blockchain, new technology. That technology has been around for like maybe 2009, since 2009. So about 12 years. 12 years, nothing. Amazon when they started, that was in 1994. Became a public company. So nobody was using internet so much. Look at Amazon. It's at the top, number one. At the top company, one of the top companies, and they make a lot of money. Jeff Bezos is one of the richest man in the world. So it takes some time, for any sector or any companies to saturate. So it's been more than 24 years since Amazon came into existence. So cryptocurrency they have a long way to go. So let's look at Ether. Ether is 4,000 plus, on May 11. Now it's only 2,625. Ethereum class is right now $78, and Dogecoin is 34 cents. So May 25th stock market. Look at that. The most active stocks are like PIRS Pharmaceutical is number one stock, 357 million, and AMC stock is at the top now. What's going on? PIR, because they are cooperated with the Roche pharmaceutical company, so it's a very big company. So that's why this stock price jump. AMC as well, AMC. So a lot of main stocks are going up, not only AMC but also GME as well. Sundial is stay at the top 5. CTI also at the top 5, but they did not move much. I don't really like these two companies, and these four are speculated. AMC probably have 1 or 2 years to runway. After that, they're just gonna consolidate or calm down. Ford is probably one of the best company on the top 5. 51 billion. So all these are penny stock. So yeah, Ford is a 51 billion. AMC, let's look at AMC. AMC jump. In the afternoon. So what's going on in the after hours? It closes around $70. So GameStop is jumped after hours as well, in the afternoon as well. Too nice because GameStop is getting into NFT. So NFT has been pretty hot recently. So that's what GameStop moved. So May 25th stock markets. The stock market has been mostly red, except for technology stock, energy, financial, everything was red, healthcare. So how about 1 week? 1 week stock you see mostly green. Technology went up. Google 4.44%, Tesla 4.64%, Microsoft 3.55%. They were up mostly. They were up mostly. So there has been a tech rally. So what? So why did crypto markets go down and why did stock market go up? So this is what happened. Crypto went down, so everybody pulled out the money from crypto and they put it in a test stock because test stock has been beaten down for some time. It's time for me to test stock to go up. So I sent out the alert in my stock membership club, to take profits. Hey, you don't take profit, it's time to take profit. Who took profit after getting my alert at Palladium? So anybody who took profit, congratulations. So before the crypto drop, and so now technology stocks the rebound after jobless claims. Though of course, it's not only crypto market drop. Because of the good news, the jobless. They say because it's because of jobless claims, but in my opinion, I think it's because the crypto market crash. So everybody pull all the money from the crypto and put it in a test stock. So that the news came out on May 20. I sent out a lot on May 18. So how did it all start? How did crypto market crash start? So it's because Elon Musk said, "Hey, Tesla not gonna accept Bitcoin for car purchases because the Bitcoin mining costs a lot of energy. Coal mining because the energy came from coal mining. Bitcoin uses coal mining energy, so that's what he said. But he already knew before he bought Bitcoin, so there could be a bigger player right here. Why did he say it right now? There could be a bigger player that nobody knows about. So I'm gonna tell you what could happen. Why did he say Tesla will not accept the Bitcoin? And also another wave that caused the crypto markets crash is because of the U.S. Treasury. The U.S. Treasury caused more stricter compliance with IRS. They want to test anybody who transfer over 10,000 need to be reported. So that's what they say. So of course, the initial response for the trader is just to sell. But it's nothing new in my opinion. They test everything. They test gold, silver, stocks, real estate. And tell me anything that they don't test. So, but honestly, this is good news to me because they're not gonna ban if they want to test. If they want to get tax revenue in $700 billion, they are not going to ban cryptocurrency. That's good news, great news for me. I'd rather get 70% and pay them 30% than nothing at all. Nothing at all. So and also they're gonna employ more IS employees, to check for to go after the tax cheats. So yeah, this is good news. This is good news to me. And Bitcoin falls because China cracked down on cryptocurrency. That's nothing new. China banned crypto trading long time ago. 2 to 3 years ago, and now they might be probably banning crypto mining as well. So and also there's another Chinese power outage happened, so the crypto mining stopped for that reason. So crypto crashed a little bit, and also Bitcoin traders use their leverage. They borrow money that they don't have to trade. So that's what they need to sell when the market turn. So that's why I always tell my audience, do not use margin, especially if you're a beginner. Do not use margin. Do not use borrow money to trade, because if you are really good, you don't need to use borrow money to trade. Remember, focus on your principle, focus on your discipline, focus on your education. So we talk about why crypto went down and technology went up, but crypto market recover again. So why are cryptos go up again? It's because Elon Musk talked to the North American Bitcoin miners about renewable energy, using renewable energies to do Bitcoin mining. So this is good. This is good. Michael Saylor and Elon Musk making a change. So I believe that's the reason why he announced that they're not gonna accept Bitcoin mining. So that's why Bitcoin prices go down. So that's gonna shake the Bitcoin miners. So that's a very very smart move. I know it's gonna be painful for retail investor who bought a Bitcoin as 50,000 or 60,000, but he wants to drive the change in Bitcoin mining. But remember, most of the energy used by Bitcoin mining comes from renewable energy. Remember, renewable energy is not coal mining. But I think Elon Musk wants to make it like close to 90% or maybe 100% it's possible to use a renewable energy. That's why he treated that way. That's my opinion. Now, Mr. Elon Musk, if you are watching this video, comment below if that's what you thought. So Musk, also another one is that the top hedge funds started to buy Bitcoin. Remember, this is like Ray Dalio of Bridgewater hedge fund, over 100 billion assets manager. He started to buy Bitcoin. He said Bitcoin was gonna crash. Bitcoin is not good. Now he changed his position. That's why a lot of people follow him because he's an investment legend. So that's why Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency prices recover. So what could happen in future? So White House is reviewing the gaps in cryptocurrency rules. So they're gonna put a smart regulations. I hope so. That it's gonna bolster blockchain technology innovation. Remember, they don't want to ban cryptocurrency because they know that blockchain technology is behind cryptocurrency. If you ban cryptocurrency, there's not gonna be innovation behind. Blockchain that could change the world. So that's what they know that they're not gonna ban, but they want to make sure that nobody uses the system, nobody abuses the system to do illegal transactions. That's what they want to do, and also they want to test. They want to get revenue by testing cryptocurrency, and also China will likely ban all Bitcoin mining. This is great news. Remember, China government said, "Hey, Bitcoin uses a lot of environmental not friendly energy." Remember, China is one of the top pollutants because they do coal mining. So they are saying this just an excuse to ban with Bitcoin. The main reason is they want to introduce their own digital currency, which is digital yuan. So that's why they want to ban Bitcoin. This is good news. A lot of Chinese Bitcoin miners gonna move to North America. This is great for jobs in North America, so business in America as well, and also Bitcoin prices. If they ban, then not gonna be a lot of Bitcoin mining happening. So that means that there's gonna be limited supply of Bitcoin. It could send the Bitcoin price higher. So I'm bullish on Bitcoin. So if you invested, why should you invest in stock market? If you invested 1,000 shares in Amazon in 1997 since initial public offering, and that was 24 years ago, it will cost you only 1,730, but you will be sitting at 3.4 million, 3.5 million this year. So it's only 24 years. So if you start investing in 24s, by the age of 44, you are retired. You don't need to worry about money. You will be sitting on the beach, and you don't need to worry about your family, education, everything. So that's why you should start early. So start $10 a day, a few $100s a day, $1,000 a day. You don't need to have a few 100,000 to start investing. I made a lot of money. I got rich because I started with 1,000, 5,000, $10 a day, $10 a day. Just put money, make money. You use the principal to buy a house. Then you invest more in stock markets. You can buy more houses. So don't forget to get free stocks and crypto in description. So if you want to get other stuff, free stuff, the links are gonna be in the description and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.